muslimcentral.com/donate.
A sister does not have any wealth apart from jewelry. Should she sell some of it in order to pay the zakat on it?
As far as the jewelry she has, if it's gold, and if it is above the nisab level, 85 grams of gold or above it, then zakat is compulsory. If it's silver, it should be 595 grams of silver or above it. If it's more than the nisab level, zakat is compulsory on it. Zakat can be paid even from other wealth that she has or from the jewelry itself. If she has other wealth and she pays zakat, every year she has to pay 2.5% of the value of the gold or silver. If she doesn't have, any of her relative also can pay on her behalf. Whether it be father, mother, brother, no problem, they can pay. But if she doesn't have any wealth and no relatives, then she will have to sell part of her jewelry. She'll have to sell 2.5% of that jewelry and give zakat. It's compulsory, should be given every year.
Okay, thank you.